an owner of a restaurant business, then this video is just for you. Do you know how important WhatsApp marketing has become today in this world? Because every single human is connecting and communicating through WhatsApp. What if on that same platform you promote your business? So you have a restaurant and you have recently launched an offer for the customers that you have before. Now you want that to all the customers, you want to send bulk WhatsApp promotional messages for your restaurant business telling that there is an offer going on, use the code, and you want to send a promotional message just like this towards all your customers. But you're afraid that your WhatsApp business account will be banned from Meta. I'm going to tell you in this video a very safe process that you need to follow. Simply stay tuned till the end of this video and I will show you the entire process, and by the end of the video you can share the promotional WhatsApp bulk message for your restaurant as well. So without wasting any time, let me show you how you can send a same WhatsApp message that you can see on the screen to all your customers without getting banned or blocked on WhatsApp. Okay? I manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn how you can access your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow and you will come to the landing page just like this. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us yet, simply sign up for free from here. As you will sign up for free, you will get 100 free credits. Using the 100 credits, you can test out the features of Pabbly Chatflow right away. That means you can test out by sending a promotional message to yourself or few of your customers right away using the 100 credits. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for free from here and test out Pabbly Chatflow right away. Now, if you like using Pabbly Chatflow and you want to manage your WhatsApp business account easily and efficiently, and you want unlimited credits to do that, for that simply what you can do is you can use the code ANGYT. This code is on the left side of my screen, which will help you to get instant and amazing discounts in order to purchase our earlier lifetime plans. Now go ahead, purchase our plans and automate your business conversations right away using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, as you will sign in, you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow just like this. Now, if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp business account inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can create the entire setup, and want to learn about the features of Pabbly Chatflow one by one, what you can do is you can check out all the video links I've added in the description section below. If you want to learn about the other use cases that you can create with Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out our YouTube channel. We constantly post related to WhatsApp on our YouTube channel. Go ahead and check out our channel as well. Now, first, in order to send the bulk promotional WhatsApp message for your restaurant, just like this, you have to create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. For creating the template, go towards this template and template list section. You will come to this page right over here. Now, to create a new template, go towards this add template button and click on this add template option. First of all, you will come to this new template page, select the category as marketing as we are sending a promotional WhatsApp message. Now, we have to name our template. So you have to give the name of the template according to your requirement in the field in lowercase letters without any space. Okay, for the space, use the underscore sign like this. Now next, it is asking for us to select the language. In which language are we creating this template? So I'm going to create this template in the language English. If you're creating the template in a different language, you can select that language from the drop down. Now next, it is asking for the variable type. Now if you're creating a template and you're adding a variable inside that template, what will be the type of a variable? Whether you will add a name or a number. So I will select over here as name. You can select the variable type according to your requirement. Next is template type. So I want to send a promotional message just like this with an attachment of an image. If you want, you can also attach a document, a video or a text, anything according to your requirement. I will select over here as image. Now next is text. Now what text do you want to add with the message? You have to enter that text according to your requirement right over here in the field. You will see the preview next right here. Okay. And if you want to enter a footer in your message, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Just like this, you will see the preview. And last is interactive actions. If you want to add a button inside this template, you can also add it through the sections of call to actions, quick replies, or all from here. And simply click on this submit button, and what is going to happen? Automatically this template is going to be created inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, how is this a safe process? Because as the template will be created, it will be forwarded towards your Meta account. Meta is going to approve, reject this template that you have created. So you can see I have created this template and Meta has approved. Meta is going to approve the template. Remember that. Meta is going to approve the template that yes, it's a safe template. Now you can share this as a WhatsApp message. So now if you have a Meta's permission to share this template as a WhatsApp message, it's for sure that your WhatsApp business account won't be banned from Meta side. Okay. So this is the template I've created for the promotion of my restaurant. My restaurant is in the name of Spice Haven Bistro. I am giving 25% off to my customers with the code SPICE25 valid to the week only. So you can see right over here, this is the template I want to share. So now as the template is created as well as approved from the Meta side, now let's move forward and using the template, let's share it to all my customers at once. So now how this is possible? How can I share this template at once towards long list of customers? For that, we have this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast message. With the help of broadcast, you can send messages to multiple people at once. You can either send the message instantly or schedule the message for later. Okay. So now to create a new broadcast, click on this add broadcast button. And now we have to first select the broadcast type, for which I will select over here as broadcast campaign. You can select the API campaign if you're creating one. Next, it is asking for the broadcast name. So now what is my objective? My objective is to send a promotional message for my restaurant. So I'm going to name the broadcast accordingly. So for the name of the broadcast, I'm going to write it as, so this is the name I'm giving, promotional WhatsApp message for restaurant. Okay, if you want, you can name the broadcast accordingly. Okay, next we have to select the contact list. So if I'm going to open the contacts page of my Pabbly Chatflow account on a new tab, you will see right over here, this is the contacts page. Now you have to create a contact list. So let's suppose I have customers who have already came to my restaurant. So I have created their list over here in the name of new list, in which the customers have already been in my restaurants, their contacts are added. Now I want that towards this specific list only the message should be forwarded. So you can do that. You can select the contact list from the drop down accordingly. If you want, you can select all the contact list over here as well. But I'm going to select over here as new list, because in this list all my customers who have already been to my restaurant before, all those contacts are added in this list. So I've selected this list right here. Now if you want to refine audience, it's optional. You can do that accordingly, but I don't want that, so I will skip the part. Next, it is asking for me to select the message type. I've already created a template, so I will select the pre-approved template from here. But if you want, you can also create a template right over here as a regular message and send that as well. I don't want that, so I'll skip the part. I'm going to select the template that I've created from Meta. Now I have to upload the image that I want to attach with this message. For that, click on this button right over here. I've already uploaded my image right here. In order to upload a new image, go towards this option, select the image from this section. From your computer, select the image, upload it, insert it in the message just like this. Now this message is going to be forwarded. This is the preview of the message. Okay, I'm going to click on this done button. Now as you will do that, you will see the preview over here as well. Now if you want to test this broadcast out, like you want to see how actually the message is going to be forwarded, what you can do is you can enter the username and the phone number of yourself over here in the field and test the message right here, and you can see on your WhatsApp what kind of a WhatsApp message the customers are going to receive. So let's suppose I'm going to write in my details right here and send the test message from here. Okay, as soon as it says test broadcast sent on WhatsApp, you will see I have received another new message, and this is how the broadcast message is going to be forwarded towards your customers as well. So now as I've tested out the broadcast, the messages are forwarded correctly. Now lastly, there is one option. Now if you want to send this broadcast instantly right now, you can select the option of no instantly send. But if you want to schedule this broadcast for later, let's suppose I'm having this offer in my business from Saturday of this weekend. So what I can do is I will select the option of yes, schedule for later, and on the calendar I will select the date 23rd of May, that's the next Saturday, and I will select the time when I want to share this message. I want to share this message in the morning 10 a.m. So I'm going to select it. Now on 23rd of May 2026 10 a.m. this broadcast is going to run, and the messages are going to be forwarded towards the contact that is added in your contact list. Okay, now I will add this broadcast from here. As soon as I will do that, you can see the new broadcast of promotional WhatsApp message for restaurant is scheduled for May 23rd, 2026 at 10 a.m. And this is the template that will be forwarded. Okay. So as now I have scheduled this broadcast on the specific date and time that you have selected, a message just like this towards all your customers is going to be forwarded and your WhatsApp number won't be banned as you're sending Meta approved WhatsApp messages to all your customers. Now this is a very safe process and it was very easy to create. You can send bulk messages for any kind of business that you have, not just restaurant business. If you want to send another promotional messages for like skincare brand, makeup brand, fashion apparel store, real estate agency, you can create such amazing broadcast inside Pabbly Chatflow without need of any coding and programming skills in the similar manner. Okay, if you want, you can view the stats of your broadcast once it's going to run. You can view the stats over here in the same place itself inside Pabbly Chatflow. Right now the broadcast is scheduled, that's why you can't see any stats. Okay, so this is how you send promotional WhatsApp messages for your restaurants as well. Now if you have questions or doubts related to the entire setup in this video, comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Use the code ANGYT to get amazing discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime plans of Pabbly Chatflow. Automate your WhatsApp conversations right away using this amazing software. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.